Welcome to the top best. The best live tree is probably one of the most sought-after additions to any home or office space, bringing a touch of nature's tranquility and vibrant energy right into your living environment. Imagine waking up to the sight of lush greenery, breathing in fresher air, and enjoying the calming presence that only a living plant can provide, transforming your everyday surroundings into a personal oasis of peace and natural beauty. Number 5. Costa Farms Braided Money Tree. Introducing the Costa Farms Braided Money Tree, a beautiful live plant designed to bring prosperity and festive charm to any space. Its unique braided trunk and glossy leaves add a touch of luck and modern elegance to your home or office. This indoor houseplant is incredibly easy to maintain, making it perfect for beginners or those with busy lifestyles. It's a resilient, air-purifying plant that thrives with minimal attention. Add a touch of natural elegance and create a calming sanctuary in your daily life. This live plant brings a sense of peace and well-being wherever it's placed. Looking for a thoughtful present? It's a pet-friendly option, ideal for birthdays, housewarmings, or just to show you care. Send a lasting token of affection that brightens any room. Your beautiful, healthy live indoor plant arrives fresh from our farm, securely packaged for direct delivery to your home. It's ready to enhance your living room, office, or desktop. What we like? If you're looking for a plant that brings good vibes and is easy to care for, this is it. Its braided trunk adds a unique visual appeal, and it's known for purifying the air. If you're a beginner plant parent or want a pet-friendly option, this is a fantastic choice for your home or office. What people say? It arrived yesterday, and it is in perfect condition, save a couple of expected broken leaves from shipping. It's fully alive and well, and looks way better than the first plant I received. The order of a delightful money tree was shipped and delivered with attention to the fragility of the plant. It was nicely packaged and carefully left by my front door. This plant is already sprouting new shoots. Arrived healthy and looks good. Number 4. Avergo Bonsai Tree Kit for Beginners. Discover the art of bonsai with our complete starter kit. It includes everything you need to grow unique Japanese bonsai trees right at home. This all-in-one kit provides all the tools and planters necessary for your DIY gardening project. You'll be ready to start growing your mini trees in no time. Explore different species with our selection of popular bonsai seeds. We offer varieties like crepe myrtle, flame tree, and blue jacaranda to get you started. We've included extra seed packets to ensure your success. Even if some don't sprout, you'll have more chances to grow your beautiful bonsai. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fun and rewarding activity for anyone who loves plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this kit is designed for everyone. Enjoy the relaxing and rewarding process of growing bonsai. What we like? For those who love a hands-on gardening experience, this kit is perfect. It provides everything you need to grow your own bonsai trees, even including extra seeds for a higher success rate. If you enjoy the process of nurturing a plant from seed and want a fun DIY project, this is an excellent option for you or as a gift. What people say? This product also has a great step-by-step instruction book that makes planting everything super easy and easy to follow. It has great plant variety since you're not only getting all the tools but 5 different types of trees. Really nice packaging with detailed explanation. Good quality. Number 3. Artificial Dracaena Tree Indoor, 5-foot-tall fake tree. Introducing a stunningly realistic artificial tree, designed to bring vibrant greenery into your home or office. Its lifelike appearance and natural colors will enhance any space. Crafted with safe, advanced materials, this plant is family and pet-friendly. The sturdy planter ensures it stays stable, so you can enjoy its beauty without worry. Setting up is a breeze. Just insert the branches into the trunk and arrange them to your liking. No tools needed for a beautiful, finished look. Unlike other artificial plants, this one has no unpleasant odors and won't pollute your air. It stays fresh and green, keeping your room lively year-round. Elevate your living room, bedroom, or office with this versatile floor plant. It's also a wonderful housewarming gift, adding a touch of nature anywhere. We're here to help. Contact us for lifetime-friendly customer support and timely solutions to any issues you may have. What we like? If you desire the look of a lush indoor tree without any of the upkeep, this artificial option is ideal. It's designed to look incredibly realistic with a sturdy build, making it safe for homes with pets and children. If you want to add a touch of greenery to your space with zero effort and long-lasting appeal, this is the perfect solution. What people say. This is the most realistic faux plant I've ever seen. The leaves are cloth silk-like rather than plastic. Love that you can detach the leaves to clean them. The leaves look incredibly realistic, right down to the color variations and subtle texture, and from a distance, you honestly can't tell it's not real. Number 2. Costa Farms Fiddle Leaf Fig. Bring home a beautiful fiddle leaf fig for a tropical feel. Its lush, green leaves dramatically improve your indoor decor and create a stunning focal point for any room. This plant adds instant flair to any interior space, becoming a statement piece and conversation starter. It comes potted in a modern planter, ready to admire right out of the box. Plants make us happy and bring a sense of calm. Studies show that having them nearby can lift your mood, boost creativity, and reduce stress. Surprise your loved ones with this live fiddle leaf fig, perfect for any occasion. It's a refreshing alternative to traditional gifts, creating a lasting memory. This plant is known as a natural air purifier. It helps remove harmful toxins and pollutants from your air, creating a cleaner and healthier living environment. What we like. If you want to bring a touch of the tropics into your home and enjoy the benefits of air purification, consider this plant. It's known for its lush foliage and ability to enhance indoor air quality, all while looking stylish in its modern pot. If you're looking for a statement piece that also promotes well-being, this is a great choice. What people say. The plant itself is gorgeous. In beautiful condition and a nice size. The plant came healthy. Looks great and exactly like the picture size. The plant is beautiful. Very healthy and comes with a stylish plastic pot. Number 1. Costa Farms Fiddle Leaf Fig Tree in Modern Planter. Introducing a stunning fiddle leaf fig tree, a live indoor plant that brings a lush, tropical feel to any space. Its vibrant green leaves are ready to instantly enhance your room's decor. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This plant is ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, or housewarmings. It arrives farm fresh and beautifully packaged, ready to delight your loved ones. Your new plant comes with simple care instructions. Place it in bright, filtered light and water about once a week to keep it happy and healthy. Did you know plants can boost your mood and reduce stress? Enjoy the calming presence and fresh air it brings, enhancing your overall well-being. This decorative houseplant adds a touch of green to instantly improve your home's aesthetic. It's carefully potted and ready to be admired right out of the box. Perfect for tabletops, shelves, or plant stands, it complements any living room, office, or bedroom. It's a versatile addition to your home. What we like. If you're looking for a smaller plant to brighten up a tabletop or shelf, this little fiddle leaf fig is perfect. It's designed for easy care and is known to elevate mood and add a touch of green to any small space. If you want a charming, low-maintenance plant that brings joy and a bit of nature indoors, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The plant itself is gorgeous. In beautiful condition and a nice size. The plant came healthy. Looks great and exactly like the picture size. The plant is beautiful. Very healthy and comes with a stylish plastic pot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.